Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about a barrel. I'm going to talk about the barrel that people send from Canada and England and America and them place there. We're not talk about the barrel them full of Irish Spring and the barrel them cause entire family to mash up and fall out over who forget sugar and who forget rice. Instead, today we're going to talk about the barrel with them fine one at West Kingston with a woman night and of course do the story yesterday. Now people, when I first heard the story, I was also told that the person who did in at the barrel, person said to me, say, listen, don't make the fact say is a woman fool you. This is not somebody where you are going to feel sorry for. That is what the person said to me. As in, I, Sir P, now going to feel sorry for the person. And then of course they went on to tell me XYZ, but when I did my first video, if you notice, nowhere in the video I was showing any kind of like, you know, normally when I do videos on this, especially as it relates to women and certain things that reach them, I would say, yo, listen, a foolishness go on, and yo, man, name to stop with this. And you notice in my video yesterday I wasn't saying that, and there's a reason for that. But you know, a lot of time people tell me things and we can't 100% confirm it, right? And especially if I can't get a second confirmation, because I was reaching out to people who I know for a fact are in the know in things that are going around there, and I didn't get back a response yet. So I was saying, you know what, let me hold off until I get a response. And of course by the next day, people were telling me, all kind of people were sending me message me on Instagram, and big up me subscriber them up on Instagram who always send me these stories. But people, we don't get the scoop, but we just do that hold back, because me say never want to jump out without getting certain confirmation first.
Where I hold back for? You don't need to hold back. I mean, it's not like say everybody don't already know say all they do is make up things to get views. Everybody don't know that. So if better don't say everything and done, right? Everybody knows say make up things to get views. So I just say go. Where I hold back for?
Touche, Simple Simon, touche. Now people, the name of the woman is, well, the nickname, well, I already know her in the streets as it's Bianca, right? Now I put woman in quotation marks because people trust me, this is an ordinary woman, right? This is no, when Bob Marley say woman no cry, trust me, not about any type of woman here, right? What you're looking at right here is actually a certified female 87, right? And people have been asking me on Instagram, Sir P, is this a kerosene oil or is this a 87? No, people. Bianca is not a kerosene oil. Bianca is a female 87, right? Bianca was worse than enough of the man named Rona West Kingston. People, the word on the street is she get pushed out by her own team, by her own crew, because she was bringing down too much heat upon the man name. Because some of the things that she leg it up to, they are shining too much spotlight over them or upon them. Matter of fact, it was actually said that she actually squeezed off some rounds off of some JDF soldiers. This picture you're looking at on your screen right now with her sit down, right? That's when they bring her in, right? You notice little arrow in the thumbnail, you see a little arrow pointing, right? Right by where her hand is. People, that's her being cuffed to the grill. This is no ordinary woman, right? A kerosene oil is actually a feminine woman. A kerosene oil is a girl in the truest sense. Bianca is a girl. Alright, go and go look on her. All of the man them who are listening to me right now, they look like no woman or you that look. A matter of fact, if you put words to her, you might get a teeth them box out of your mouth. Right? That the woman is interested in another man. Right? Matter of fact, this is the female version of a sprat, which I guess you could say is a tiki. So Brianna is a tiki, right? So people, when you hear these stories come out, especially when it comes down to places like West Kingston, right, and you hear certain things happen to certain woman, people, it sound bad, but just hold off, because trust me, West Kingston, certain part of Mobile, certain part of Spain, people not just understand there is a high percentage of kerosene oils, female 87s. So when you can't just automatically assume it's a boy, because it's a woman, that means that some kind of innocent bystander will get caught up. People, when I was reading the story on Loop, I was checking the comment section, because I love to check the comment section on places like Loop and Observer and Gleaner, right? Because that's actually, that's a lot of, so you see a lot of good, a lot of great comments. You can see that we have a lot of sharp minds, But then you also get some people who make Simple Simon look like Albert Einstein. Some people who make Simple Simon look like the next Marcus Garvey. When you read some of the comments, some of them right? So when I was checking out the comments, people were saying, oh, by the time them man are done, the woman now go left back in Jamaica because the Jamaican man them have plan for us to get rid of all of the woman them. I'm like, people, this is no ordinary woman. This Bianca person we're not talking about, right? And cases like this, as I said, especially when they end domestic things surrounding it, or the stray rounds, like what made the 1-year-old and her mother, people just sit back. West Kingston is a place where even the dog them probably have a machine in them waist. Even the mongrel dog them probably have a little 4 or 5. Right? It's not a normal place, people. Right? I don't think people fully understand what West Kingston is like. I know that it is literally the wild West Kingston. Right? Nobody running out taking a talk. Right? There's a lot of little small factions that have little team here, little team there. And these small groups, all of them are squabble over some foolishness. Right? The least little thing. Right? Them can do this and can do that. And because there's nobody around there if you call them in and drape them up and box them down. Right? Because that's how things used to go on when presidential because around the people. Right? No matter who you want to be as 87 or whoever, if you do certain things, you might get called around a HQ and drape up, box down and kick down and all kind of things. Right? And certain little disputes have to get started. Nobody not taking no talk nowadays. All of the man them left running. All of the female 87s them left running, the kerosene them. Everybody them own boss right now. Right? So the place really rough, people. So we probably gonna hear a little more come out about this down the road. But there you have it, people. The barrel woman, and again, put woman in quotation marks, because this is no ordinary woman. Might have woman parts, but trust me, when it comes down to masculine energy and being at 87, Bianca top enough man around there. Right? When you're so bad that your own crew have to should be out, that's when you know it's serious, people. When your own team is like, no man, when you get rid of you, right? Because you give too much problem right now, you cause too much problem in the place. That's how serious this individual is, right? But at the end of the day, we still need to look on it away because it still count towards the annual murder tally. And people are going to say, well, Sturpy, we're not sorry for her, she will go on about her business. Yes, but it again, still a person, still a number, it's still not looking good. Murder tally is piling up. And so far, they've not caught the 2 teenager them, right, who push around the barrel. And in my opinion, and again from me here, the teenager them never actually get her out, but they were the transporting people, right? They were gonna carry her, go dump her off some because people are so West Kingston stay. Remember back in the day, enough man used to get dumped off on the train line. Remember one train line around the whole heap of man, people. When they see a man go missing, just go check out that train line. Right, them have whole heap of little place to throw off, then they could body place. So I probably around there, so the youth then did carry her. But again, the police have not caught those 2 little teenagers, and they probably never will. But boy, serious. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.